Imagine a single flame, burning steadily for over 2,000 years, representing not just light, but the very essence of peace and unity. What if I told you this flame has traveled across oceans, through cities, and even into space? Intrigued? Stick around, because today we're unraveling the incredible history and deep symbolism behind the Olympic flame and torch relay. This is Insightify, where we dive deep into the stories that shape our world. Let's rewind to ancient Greece, where fire was much more than just a practical tool. It was a sacred symbol, deeply intertwined with divine presence and purity. At the original Olympic Games in Olympia, there was an eternal flame burning on the altar of Hestia, the goddess of the hearth. This flame wasn't merely ceremonial. It represented the ideals of the Games: purity, honor, and the pursuit of excellence. The ancient Greeks believed that this eternal flame could only be extinguished if peace was broken. The Ekecheria, or Olympic truce, was a sacred agreement to cease all hostilities and allow athletes and spectators to travel safely to the Games. Fast forward to the 20th century, and the Olympic flame is reborn. The 1928 Amsterdam Games saw its reintroduction, but the real spectacle began in 1936 with the Berlin Games. The torch relay made its debut, a dramatic and symbolic journey from Olympia to the host city. This wasn't just a relay, it was a bridge linking the ancient and modern games. The flame is first lit at the Temple of Hera in Olympia, using a parabolic mirror to focus the sun's rays. From there, it embarks on a global journey, carried by torchbearers through various countries, showcasing different cultures and uniting people across the globe. Over the years, the torch relay has become a symbol of global unity. Take the 1948 London Games, where the relay marked a hopeful return to normalcy after World War II. Or the 1964 Tokyo Games, where the flame crossed continents, symbolizing a more interconnected world. And the 2000 Sydney Games? The torch took a dive underwater along the Great Barrier Reef, blending innovation with tradition. Each relay has its own unique story, reflecting the host nation's spirit and culture. And let's talk about the torchbearers, the real stars of the relay. These individuals are often chosen for their inspiring stories and contributions to their communities. In recent years, technology has taken the torch relay to new heights, literally and figuratively. We've seen torches designed to withstand underwater journeys and even one that traveled to space. So, the next time you see the Olympic flame lighting up your screen, remember it's more than just a symbol of the Games. It's a powerful emblem of humanity's quest for peace, unity, and excellence, bridging ancient traditions with modern innovations. Thanks for joining us on this journey.